Start. The High Court, while affirming the conviction, accepted the conspiracy theory of the prosecution for the murder of Kamla Rani. The court also accepted the last seen together evidence against appellant Surendra Kumar, noting the absence of credible explanation from Surendra on the circumstances of the incident. The appeal of the brothers Surendra and Ramveer was dismissed by the High Court, leading to present challenge. As the case against the appellants is entirely based on circumstantial evidence, it is necessary to determine whether the available evidence leads only to the conclusion of guilt and exclude all contrary hypotheses. The enunciation on the law of circumstantial evidence stood the test of time since Hanumant versus State of Madhya Pradesh 1, where Mahajan J has written as under colon. It is well to remember that in cases where the evidence is of a circumstantial nature, the circumstances from which the conclusion of guilt is to be drawn should, in the first instance, be fully established, and all the facts so established should be consistent only with the hypothesis of the guilt of the accused. Again, the circumstances should be of a conclusive nature and tendency, and they should be such as to exclude every hypothesis but the one proposed to be proved. In other words, there must be a chain of evidence so far complete as not to leave any reasonable ground for a conclusion consistent with the innocence of the accused, and it must be such as to show that within all human probability the act must have been done by the accused. The nature, character, and essential proof required in criminal cases was discussed in detail by Fazal Ali in Sarad Sarda versus State of Maharashtra, and the proposition of law culled out on circumstantial evidence was approved in many subsequent judgments and was recently reiterated by Krishna Murari, writing the opinion for a three judges bench in Shailendra Rajdev Paswan and others versus State of Gujarat and others, where it was succinctly laid down as under full stop.